Hello, welcome to the educational video on the OTT industry and how service marketing concepts can be applied into it. OTT refers to over the top and refers to deliver of video content, audio content over the internet without the need of traditional cable or satellite subscriptions. In this video, we will explore how OTT provides service marketing concepts to attract retail customers. STP stands for Segmentation, Targeting and Positioning. It is a market strategy that helps companies identify and reach their target customers effectively. In the OTT industry, STP can be applied as follows: segmentation, targeting, and positioning. In segmentation, it involves dividing the market into different groups of customers based on demographic, geographic, and psychographic characteristics. For example, an OTT provider might segment their market by age, group, gender, income, or genre preference. Targeting. This involves choosing which segments of the market to focus on. An OTT provider might choose to target specific segments such as young adults, families, or sports enthusiasts. In positioning, it involves creating an unique image or identity for the service in the minds of target customers. For example, an OTT provider might position itself as a provider of high quality exclusive content or as provider of wide range of content at low price. By applying STP, OTT providers can tailor their marketing efforts to specific segments of the market and create a unique value proposition that differentiates them from their competitors. This can help them attract and retain customers more effectively and improve their overall business performance. Let's see. Let's move on to the next concept, the 7 P's of service marketing in OTT industry. They are product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. Let's jump into the concept of product. The content offered by OTT platforms including movies, TV shows, live events, and original productions. In price, the product cost of access to the OTT service including subscription fees and pay-per-view options. In place, the availability of OTT service through multiple platforms such as smart TVs, gaming, consoles, and mobile devices. In promotions, the marketing strategies used by OTT platforms to attract and retain customers, including advertising, social media campaigns, and partnerships. In people, the talent behind the content, including actors, directors, and writers, as well as customer service representatives and technology support staffs. And on process, the user experience and how customers interact with platform including sign up and building process, navigation, and recommendation algorithms. In physical evidence, the branding and design elements that distinguish OTT platforms and create a sense of trust and reliability. During each stage, OTT providers have the opportunity to influence the consumer's decision-making process and ultimately drive customers' loyalty. For example, during the pre-consumption stage, providers can use marketing efforts to highlight the unique features and benefits of their services. While during the post-consumption stage, providers can use customer feedback and data to improve the service and ensure the customer satisfaction. Let's jump into the 3-stage model of service consumption in OTT industry. Highlights the importance of providing a high-quality streaming service and meeting the needs of customers in every stage of the process. The 3-stage model of service consumption: pre-consumption stage, consumption stage, and post-consumption stage. Let's bring this concept into OTT industries. In this stage of pre-consumption, the consumers are researching and evaluating different streaming services to determine which one best meets their needs. This includes considering factors such as the availability of desired content, price, and the overall user experience. In consumption stage, once a consumer has chosen a streaming service, they enter the consumption stage. This is where they actually use the service to stream content and engage with the platform. In post-consumption, this service consumers enter the post-consumption stage where they evaluate their experience and determine whether or not they will continue to use the service. This includes considering factors such as quality of the content and streaming experience, customer service, and the overall satisfaction. Let's jump into the next concept, The flavor of services. Let's put this model into OTT industry. This model is a way of visualizing the different elements that make up the service experiences. The model consists of three main parts: core service, enhancing elements, and facilitating elements. In core service, this is a basic service that customers expect and pay for. In the OTT industry, the core services is a streaming of video content such as movies, TV shows, and live events. In enhancing elements, these are additional features or services that enhances the overall service experiences. For example, in the OTT industry, enhancing elements can include personalized recommendations, the ability to download content for offline viewing, the ability to create and share playlists. On next, facilitating elements. These are the elements that help customers access and use the services. In the OTT industry, facilitating elements can include user registration and authentication, payment processing, and customer support. The flavor of service model helps OTT providers understand the different elements that make up the service experiences and how they interact with each other by focusing on the core service, enhancing elements, and facilitating elements. OTT providers can create a service that meets the needs of service customers and set them apart from their competitors. It is important to note that in order to provide an excellent service, OTT providers should strive to optimize all the elements of level of services, as they all contribute to a positive service experiences to their customers. Let's go on to the next concept, the marketing flywheel. In OTT service refers to a customer-centric model that focuses on building and maintaining a loyal customer base. It involves creating value at each stage of customer journey and reinforcing it with ongoing engagement. Let's discuss the stages of an OTT marketing flywheel. The first one is attract. Use tactics such as paid advertising, content marketing, and influencer marketing to attract potential customers. The second one is engage. In engage, encourage users to try your service through free trials, demos, or other incentives. On to the third, delight. In delight, provide a high quality user experience that meets or exceed expectations. On to the next one, retain. In retain, maintain customer loyalty by offering ongoing value and support. On to the next, advocacy. In advocacy, encourage satisfied customers to promote your service to others. The flywheel model is cyclical process where each stage reinforces the previous one, creating a victorious cycle that drives growth and customers' loyalty over time. And it's a wrap. We hope you have enjoyed this educational journey into the world of OTT. From its history to the future, the OTT industry continues to evolve and provide entertainment and information to millions of people around the world, and with its diverse offering and innovative technology. The OTT industry is here to stay.